Hey everyone, this is Michael Trithart, and we have a powerful 2-day workshop coming to Brooklyn, New York. And this is going to be open to all business owners, real estate agents with Keller Williams, with other brokerages. Anybody who owns their own business is going to benefit from this session. So make sure that you not only sign up yourself, but also invite your database. This is going to be a class that will sell out. So we want to make sure that you get in there and you get your clients in there and your database in there with you as well. And what we're going to be doing is starting on July 1st, we are going to be doing a class from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. This is going to be a hands-on workshop. You're going to be able to go in and learn how to build your Facebook goldmine. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of how you can power up Facebook to become a money maker for your business. Then we're going to take a lunch break and come back, and we're going to discuss Become Google Great. I will show you in that session how you can take free Google tools and make over an extra $100,000 annually to your bottom line every single year with free Google tools. It's as easy as that. Then on Tuesday, July 2nd, is going to be a mastermind in the morning with Megan O'Brien and myself, and we're going to walk you through Become Your Own Market Disruptor. Data is the new oil, and it is disrupting all businesses, not just real estate. So learn how you can gain the competitive edge with data and technology. Then in the afternoon session on Tuesday it's going to be a private session for all Keller Williams agents and guests, and that is going to be lead generate with the brand new Keller Williams technology that is already rolled out, and there's more coming. So this is going to be a jam-packed 2-day session. The cost on this is $30 a day or $49 for both days. That's a steal. It is going to be at Knights of Columbus, and it's going to be on 86th Street, and I will see you guys in Brooklyn on July 1st and July 2nd. Bring yourself and bring your clients.